Discover SGS Health Science, where cutting-edge science meets innovation. We'll take you on a journey through the services we offer to the pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, and medical devices industries. From analytical testing to clinical research, formulation development, and manufacture and medical device testing, SGS is at the forefront of advancing health sciences. Our state-of-the-art laboratories and clinical testing facilities are equipped with the latest technologies, ensuring accurate and precise results. Our services range from method development and validation, stability studies, QC testing, finished product release testing, as well as formulation, development, manufacture, and clinical testing of your IMP and medical device. We ensure that your products meet regulatory requirements and are safe for human use. Our biosafety services provide ultimate reliability, highest quality, and scientific expertise. Our team develops and validates novel nucleic acid technologies such as real-time PCR, IPD sequencing, non-radioactive Southern blot, and DNA Sanger sequencing. TEM methods are used for the identification and enumeration of virus particles in diagnostic virology and biological safety. When it comes to biologics characterization, our team pioneers the development of mass spectrometry mapping of biotechnology products together with other mass spectrometry strategies and biophysical methodologies which have become worldwide standards. Our Center of Excellence for Formulation and Clinical Manufacturing provides enhanced formulation research and development service for Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3 trials operating out of MHRA and FDA-inspected facilities. We support drug development companies throughout all stages of clinical development, pre-formulation, formulation, dosage form design and optimization, clinical manufacturing, and supply. Enjoy a combination of formulation development, clinical research, and bioanalysis through one point of contact. SGS PACE offers an expert-directed roadmap from preclinical and formulation to clinic, through one dedicated program manager. Maximize your drug potential through enabled formulations at preclinical and clinical stages to enhance bioavailability solubility. As a world-leading contract research organization, SGS can provide you with expert support in every step of your clinical development, helping you move from first-in-human trials executed at the SGS Clinical Pharmacology Unit to Phase 2 trials right up through to Phase 3 trials. SGS follows strict ethical guidelines to protect participants' well-being while gathering critical data that helps bring life-changing treatments to those in need. Our clinical research solutions, including central lab and bioanalysis services, can be customized to help you meet stringent timelines and regulations around product safety and efficacy. We will guide your products to global markets swiftly and efficiently, ensuring to meet international and local requirements. With over 30 years of experience and operating out of our GLP/GCP compliant laboratories, SGS has the expertise to develop assays from scratch and to support large-scale routine sample analyses from toxicology to Phase 1 to 4. Our extensive range of validated assays spanning cell-based and immunoligand-based assays allows us to offer a full range of potency assay test methods. Throughout your supply chain, SGS will deliver a consistently high standard, providing you with cGMP and GLP contract analytical services across the network. As a leader in contract analytical testing, we work with you from early-stage drug development to commercial release to get your products to market without delay. SGS specialists offer customer-centric global programs that streamline the journey of bringing high-quality medicines and medical devices to market. We value our customers by supporting their commitment to excellence in biopharmaceuticals, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices with a focus on accelerating drug development for innovative solutions.